Tired of a cluttered kitchen and endless cooking tasks? Meet the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker, your ultimate solution for quick, delicious meals. This incredible kitchen workhorse isn't just a pressure cooker. It's also a slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, sauté pan, steamer, food warmer, sous vide, and sterilizer all in one. Imagine decluttering your countertops and replacing multiple appliances with this single, powerful device. It truly transforms your cooking experience. With 15 smart, customizable programs, from soup to cake, you can literally set it and forget it, ensuring perfect results every time, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef. If you're looking to buy the best kitchen appliance to simplify meal prep, this Instant Pot model is a game changer. Check the Amazon link in the description for current deals. The durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy, non-toxic cooking and is incredibly easy to clean, making cleanup just as simple as the cooking itself. This isn't just another kitchen gadget. Its advanced safety features and intuitive controls truly set it apart, making gourmet cooking accessible to everyone. For anyone serious about upgrading their kitchen in 2025 or simply wanting to save time and effort, the Duo Plus delivers unparalleled performance and convenience. Don't miss out on transforming your daily cooking. Grab your own Instant Pot Duo Plus today via the link below. Seriously, for versatility, ease of use, and incredible results, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is undoubtedly the best pressure cooker and multi-cooker we recommend for any modern kitchen.